Here I have Tenori, and let me show you how to enable here Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So if you would like to quickly enable Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar. And here let's use upper bar twice, tap on Do Not Disturb. Right now I just activate alarms only, but I can choose this arrow right here to open the following settings. Let me just do it. Here I can choose total silence, so this blocks all sounds and vibrations. I can select priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except the priority rules, or I can select alarms only. So here is also really interesting things, because you can here set up this mode for an hour or for another period of time, or you can choose until you turn it off. What's also really interesting, you can choose here more settings, and here you can use Do Not Disturb preferences. So you can use some automatic rules to switch on Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or you can use some other customized rules, or you can choose priority only allows, and here you can handle with reminders, events, repeat callers. You can accept some calls and messages, for example, from some favorite contacts. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.